David here. This behind me is my 2016 Subaru WRX. A quick rundown on the car. It was involved in an accident, and of course the car is not a clean title no more. And one of the major issues that I have with it is that I will have to pull the engine out to replace this thing up here and the cylinder head right above there, because in the accident it got messed up. The radiators and fans literally push against the timing cover, which is also down there. Right over here you can see it. The car does have an STI spoiler on it. It's not hooked up or anything, because whenever I got it, it did not have it, and that's something I will be adding on it. Also, I'll be adding the stabilizers. That's two things that I'll be color matching whenever I paint the front of the car. Currently I have most of the broken pieces in here, and the reason why I'm saving them is because things like the engine cover I might put back on, and I believe that white thing back there is for coolant. I'm not exactly sure. So whatever I need from here, I'll grab it. If I need something else like part numbers or something, I can use that. In the front of the car, down here, this airbag went off and I already replaced it. Also, the steering one went off as well, and of course I already unhooked it. Aside from that, the interior of the car is pretty good. No major things. It does have a shift stop that I put in it. Also, this ball made by Billetworks, I put it on it too. Aside from that, interior is nothing. I do have to replace the windshield right there. It's broken. And then of course that mess back there. Oh, this car, it is the premium, so I do have the sunroof and the heated seats down here, which is a plus. Since I'll be rebuilding this car and I'll have to do major work like engine, I decided to go all out on it. And right now I currently have some things installed into place. Of course I will be taking them apart again. For example, the full TGV deletes by IVR, EGR delete as well from them. Also, I do have a front mount intercooler that I'll be installing on it. I have some piping right there since I had to take out the top mount intercooler so I could do the EGR delete. The car is basically gonna be a stage 2 car. I will have the front mount intercooler. I am going with Mishimoto radiators and fans, headers and exhaust. My whole goal with this car is to reliably push 350 wheel horsepower. Also, that will be on a max tune with whatever the car maxes out at. I'm aiming for that. Will it make it? I have no idea. But I do plan on having 2 tunes on the car. One with whatever the car maxes out on, and a separate tune for daily driving, because this is gonna be my daily driver. Therefore, I do want something reliable. And I have heard the FA platform likes to bend the rods whenever you push it a little too far, so I will try not to do that. That's why I want a safe tune or something that I can, be fine with. Exterior mods, I don't think I'm going with anything aside from the STI spoiler. I don't really want to drop the car. I don't want to do headlights or anything. Alright, so I do have some plans of going high horsepower build down the road. As for now, that's not my goal, since again, this is basically my daily driver. But down the road I do plan on going all out once I have another car, of course. And going with built block. I would need a bigger turbo, those things for like 600 horsepower, sorta in that range. Aside from that, the car is gonna be stage 2, pro tuned. I have a shop down here that I'll be looking into them soon whenever I can get this thing started. I will be working on it maybe Monday next week. That's the plan that I have. As far as now, the car is just sitting here. I bought mostly parts, and Next thing is just like take that engine out and start working on it.